The first kick I took was when I hit the ground. Like a dog, this must be too much. You spend half your life just to covering up. Born in the USA, born in the USA, born in the USA, born in the USA. I got in a little hometown jam. So they put a rifle in my hands. Some year early Vietnam, go and kill the yellow man. Born in the USA, born in the USA, born in the USA, born in the USA. Come back on the refineries. Hiring man says, son, if it was up to me, I go down to see the VA man. He says, son, don't you understand? Born in the USA, born in the USA, born in the USA, born in the USA. I held up the AK-7, fighting on from the Vietcong. They're still there, he's all gone. They had a little girl in Saigon. I got a picture of him in her arms. Down the shadow penitentiary, off by the gas fires, the refinery. I'm 10 years down the road, nowhere to go and nowhere to go. I'm alone.